just thought I'd video this sandstorm, mudstorm, etc. on the ride home in the chaos that is the Kuwaiti highway. As you can see, we're in a mudstorm. That's where the mud beaded up on the side as it ran off the windshield.
They have a tornado over here.
I don't know. You know, that's a good question. I think the U.S. is like the only country in the world that has tornadoes. Like, it's a natural thing. I think there was one in Europe once and it caused all sorts of havoc. That's my road dog.
Well, look, but I'm concentrating.
Oh, fucking stay your eyes on the road, bitch. We don't want to die. Yeah, the fact that the car is getting thrown around like that. We ain't exactly the lightest boys riding this cargo.
Whoa, you see that?
Yeah, I don't know what it was, but man, it was low flying.
It made me duck.
Yeah.
I'm in the car. What the fuck I'm a duck for?
I don't know, bro, but I'll tell you, this shit is flying around here like mad.
I'm surprised I don't see a cow flying now.
Oh, shit.
Or a camel.
A camel, yeah. Goat.
I know them goats catching hell.
Oh, man.
Women drivers.
Ninja women. Attack of the ninja. Yeah, ninja women drivers, man. It doesn't look like I'm going to see any mayhem on the video, so I'll save it for later. Talk to you guys in a bit. I'm almost home. Holler at you.